Kids, please open the door. I really don't feel well. Megan! Tom! Open the door right now!
Sir, please try to breathe slowly.
We're going to help you immediately.
Tom, you'll never catch me.
Just wait, I'm almost there.
You two have so much energy today.
This living room looks like a play area now. Mum and Dad need to go out for work for a short time.
But you won't stay here alone.
Who's going to stay with us?
I don't want the house to feel so quiet.
Grandpa is coming to visit and spend time with you.
He'll stay here until we come back.
Really? Grandpa is coming over?
Yay! I missed him so much.
Be good and listen carefully to Grandpa.
And never open the door for strangers.
I promise I'll behave.
I'll stay close to Grandpa too.
If anything happens, call Mum or Dad right away.
You both remember our numbers, right?
Yes, I remember. Grandpa is here.
I'll open the door.
Hello, my dear grandchildren.
Grandpa, we've been waiting for you.
Thanks for coming, Dad.
I'm glad I can spend time with them.
We're heading out now, Dad.
Don't worry, I'll take good care of them. So, what should we play first?
Let's build something together with blocks.
I want to build a huge house.
Then I'll make a small garden in front.
This part will be the garage.
That's a very clever idea.
Our house already looks beautiful.
That's because we made it together.
I'm going to draw a big sun.
And I'm drawing Grandpa smiling.
I really like these pictures.
I want to give this one to you.
Grandpa, which color do you like more? Green or yellow?
I prefer green, like the grass in the garden.
Grandpa, your drawing of fruits looks nicer than mine.
That's because I take care of fruits and vegetables every day. Some of the plants outside need some water now.
Are you going out to the garden?
Yes, I'll step outside for a little while.
Tom and I will play in the living room. Tom, let's start the racing game.
The pepper plants look really healthy today. They only need a bit more water.
Turn left. Turn left.
I'm picking up speed now.
The garden looks so nice this afternoon. I'll add a few more plants here.
I'm almost reaching the finish line.
No way! I'm about to overtake you.
The sun feels much hotter than I expected. Maybe I should take a break soon.
Watch out! There's a car!
I see it! I see it!
I'm starting to feel weak now. I should head back inside. Megan, can you open the door for Grandpa? Tom, I'm still outside.
Faster! Faster!
I'm trying as hard as I can.
Megan! Tom! Open the door! Can you hear me?
I'm so close to winning.
I can still beat you.
I'll try calling them now. Maybe they'll notice the phone.
Did you hear that?
It's probably just the game noise.
Kids, please open the door. I really don't feel well.
Just one more lap.
Let's finish the race first.
Standing here is making me feel even worse. I have to to get their attention as fast as possible. I'm sorry, but I don't have any other way. They need to hear me right now. Megan! Tom! Open the door immediately!
Megan, did you hear that?
Grandpa is outside. Grandpa, we're so sorry.
We didn't hear you at all.
The TV was too loud. I kept calling you, but you didn't respond.
I'm really sorry, Grandpa. That was our fault.
We should have been paying attention.
Next time, you must be more careful. When an adult calls you, you should answer right away.
I've turned the TV off now.
I'll bring you some water, Grandpa. Please take a few sips.
Thank you, Megan. I just need to sit and rest for a moment.
Should I get a fan for you?
No, it's okay. I think I'll feel better soon.
Are you feeling better now?
My chest hurts a lot. I feel very uncomfortable.
Grandpa, what's happening?
Are you in pain?
Tom, please bring my heart medicine. It should be in the drawer near the table.
Tom, check the left side.
You look on the right side. I found a box with medicine.
Let me check it. Yes, this is the right one.
Give it to him quickly.
Grandpa, here is your medicine.
Thank you. Hurry. I feel a little better now, but I'm still very weak.
I'm going to call Mom right now.
I'll try calling Dad.
Mom isn't picking up.
Dad isn't answering either. Megan, I'm really scared right now.
Me too. But we have to stay calm. We can't just stand here and do nothing.
Then what should we do?
We need to call an ambulance right now.
Yes, we need a doctor to come here.
Please help us.
Stay calm and tell me what's happening.
Our grandpa has strong chest pain and feels very weak. We live at number...
Grandpa, help is on the way.
You both did the right thing.
I'm sorry we didn't hear you earlier.
We are really, really sorry, Grandpa.
I know you didn't do it on purpose. The important thing is that you are helping me now.
Megan, they're here.
Go open the door quickly.
We're here now. Where is the patient?
Our grandpa is here.
Sir, please breathe slowly.
We're going to help you right away.
Grandpa, we're here with you.
Megan, Tom, are you both okay?
He is stable now because you acted quickly.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
I'm very lucky to have all of you.
We were really scared, but we're so happy you feel better now. I learned that games should never be louder than people around us.
I learned that when someone calls for help, we must listen immediately.
I also learned that staying calm in an emergency can save a life. And I learned that being careful and responsible shows how much we love our family. Now, a question for those who have watched our videos carefully.
What vegetables exactly was Grandpa watering at the beginning of the video?
Write your answer in the comments.
To stay up to date with our new adventures, like and subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next videos. Bye!